after this happened, MAC published this. So I think I'm capable of doing something like that, even though I have no knowledge about how to work with chocolate. This is going to be something completely new for me, but I've been pushing myself to be more creative, así que vamos a intentarlo. So I'm going to order all of this. To my surprise, in my 300 lipstick collection, solo tengo dos labiales de MAC. I only have 2 lipsticks from MAC. So this one is going to be our victim. I got everything delivered next day by Amazon, así que let's go to the creative kitchen. Step number 1, sacrifice the lipstick. Esto va a ser un desastre. This part was so satisfying, but it was also so messy. Nobody told me how hard it is to actually clean a lipstick. And trust me, I want this to be super clean. Quiero que esto esté super limpio. I really don't want to eat any of this. No quiero comer nada de esto, because this is super expired. I removed the majority of the product and then cleaned it with dish soap. Got some Wilton candy melts. Esto es como chocolate, ya con el color rojo. I'm gonna take everything out of here and then wash it, porque hay que lavarlo. A ver qué hay aquí. It's looking a little complicated. It has no instructions, no tiene instrucciones, pero I think I can figure it out. The moment when, oh, se pega. Oh la la. Maybe like that. I think I got it. I'm gonna go wash all of this and be back. Let's melt some chocolate. Vamos a derretir el chocolate. Let's try it. Oh wow, that was really good. This might be really wrong. Esto puede que esté muy mal, pero estoy usando un wax melter que nunca he usado. Just because I don't have a microwave and I don't want to be in the kitchen doing this. Let's put some gloves on. Just do this before it gets cold. I know that it looks that I know what I'm doing. Yo sé que parece que sé lo que estoy haciendo, but I really don't know what I'm doing. This is creativity to the max. Creatividad al máximo. That way I can push it through the corner and fill out the little things. This is a regular Ziploc bag and I'm gonna use it to fill out my molds. I've seen this technique a bunch of times online. Veo que muchos chocolateros hacen esto. So I'm just trying to do my best over here. A little tapping to remove the bubbles. And remember, these had no instructions, so I'm just trying to figure it out. Yo estoy aquí improvisando because I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna fill them to the top. Vamos a rellenarlos hasta arriba, and then I'm gonna let it dry. It actually dried really quick. Se secó en menos de 5 minutos. Like, this was ready in less than 5 minutes. And I was really impressed how easy the top came off. Okay, so they're almost dry. That is so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, it came out. It came out so quick. This device also came on the set that I bought. You can find all the links to everything that I got on the description box. And this device was so helpful. Este pequeño aparatito fue lo máximo. And then okay, and then I just have to use this part to push it out. Right? Something like this. Wow. This is wonderful. This is amazing. It's so awesome. Now I have to do my makeup. Wow. So exciting. And it's almost the same color. Moment of truth. Vamos a probarlo. And it's absolutely delicious. I think this came out so good and it tastes really good too. You can play with different colors, use it as a prop for music videos or even your Halloween costume. You might have to sacrifice a few lipsticks, pero I think it will be worth it. If you try this, intentas hacer esto, Tag me, let me see it. I want to see you eat that lipstick. And remember to follow, subscribe, and like this video.